everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share you a challenging yet fun project which is converting a balcony into children's bedroom. This project came to me through a resident in my society. Due to limited space, she wanted to convert her balcony into daughter's bedroom. The challenge here is washing machine and the drying area is there. There's no other space for that. So we have to accommodate that as well in the same place while keeping the requirements of bedroom in mind. And also we decided to do it under 25,000. So it's tough. Let's see how we can accomplish that. I have some ideas in mind which I'll be sharing you through my sketches. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do like, comment, share in your circle.
Hey everyone, this is the current situation of balcony. Messy but fairly big for a bedroom. Most of the sides are covered except for the one side, that is big window, that needs to be taken care. Also ropes lying above everywhere for drying clothes, that also needs to be checked. And washing machine along with other things looking cluttered, which needs immediate attention. According to my solution sketch, we decided for a bed this side. Above it will have accent wall with shelving, mirror in one corner and curtains to cover the open window. And washing and drying area to one side, and we'll have a gallery wall along with the shelvings in corner. So first thing first, we have removed all the ropes above and are installing this drop down cloth hanger and dryer. It is 8 feet wide and has 5 rods, big enough for the requirement. Definitely the first step towards decluttering our bedroom space. Now we are painting some of the pots that we decided to keep in bedroom with Asian paint exterior color, and we have kits to help us. So now we have painted few of the pots and this stand in white color. We have also decided to update this old cupboard mirror and reuse in bedroom. Simply removing the hardware, applying adhesive and putting hard laminates on it and leaving it for few hours. If you are looking for covering your long open window in lower budget or temporary basis, this is something you can think of. Again, we are sticking hook and loop velcro tape directly from the upper shade. The curtain has really good quality and this is how it looks while open. To cover it, simply stick together the velcro tape in between and on the sides. You'll get it all covered. And in the same way, you can get it open as well. Then we cleared the floor space and decided for a new vinyl flooring, which we are getting done from a nearby local vendor. We decided to go for a very bright wooden flooring, and they are really doing a good job by applying POP first, then adhesive and vinyl flooring in a very clean way. Now we are getting our cut and polished wood shelves installed with bracket, for which we are using particular this corner for shelving. The last one we installed is a foldable bracket for study table so that it can be closed while not in use. Got one more shelf installed in this wall, and finally our new updated mirror in this corner. A small utility basket near washing machine. This is our DIY section where we are going to make DIY frames all by ourselves. So we are using sunboard bases and wrote whatever code and paintings we thought would go with the room. For the finishing touches, we covered it with transparent sheet and made borders using laminates. So we are creating a gallery wall here with a set of 4 frames this side. Further with the DIYs, we are using old and unused bases to make picture and painting frames. This time I use brown tape, another way to make your own DIY frames. Both the girls' names start with S, so we decided to make a cute S sign with a floral and girly touch. Now this particular bedside rug DIY is done by the mother herself, and she also wanted to try her hands on with a semicircular pattern and tassels all around. She did it wonderfully. Finally, we got our sofa cum bed here from a local shop, and it has got storage for keeping the stuffs and clothes. Above it is the wall space, which we'll use to create an accent wall with peach color, which happens to be girls' favorite color. So we are making a circular pattern wherein we are going to install our shells. To hang the S sign on one corner, I wanted to give more floral touch with DIY paper flowers, so I'm sticking red and pink roses just above the sign so they come along. You can make n number of paper flowers. I'll give the tutorial link in description box. We got 3 small shelves installed and now we are getting our lamp hung right above the bed. Finally, the washing and drying area set in one corner with a utility basket, a bucket below, and drop-down cloth hanger and dryer. One of my favorite part, let all our DIYs come along and finally do the bedroom styling for girls. Everything is looking so lovely and definitely coming along. I think the major challenge was clearing the floor space, which we overcame by utilizing vertical wall space and use of old unused items, and the DIYs we successfully made it under 25,000. Not 25k, it's less than 23k. And what makes it more special is the joy and love after seeing this. I think you enjoyed as much as I did. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of my upcoming makeovers or videos.
बालकनी बड़ी होने के कारण कब से हम दोनों सोच रहे थे कि बालकनी को बच्चों के रूम में कन्वर्ट कर दे। स्वाति के कारण हमारा ये सपना पूरा हो गया। हम दोनों तो खुश है ही, लेकिन हमारे बच्चियाँ बहुत खुश है क्योंकि उनका खुद का बेडरूम बन गया। अभी इसे देख के लग ही नहीं रहा कि पहले ये खाली बालकनी थी। इसका पूरा क्रेडिट सिर्फ तुम्हें जाता है। तुमने पूरा काम अपने दिल से और लगन से किया, इसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच।